Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be showing you around the B2 Premier Hotel in Chiang Mai, just outside the old city. It's right here on the Ping River. As you can see behind me, it's a brand new hotel. I think it was built about a year ago, and everything's clean. It has a small little pool here, which I think we're actually going to be able to use, which is great news because a lot of the pools are closed right now. It's 590 baht per night, and that's for the deluxe room, plenty of space. And then you can get a more expensive one with a view of the river for about 1,500 baht per night. And I'm just staying here for about, a night or two before renting another Airbnb. Great place, a little bit cloudy today, but there's some cafes and restaurants nearby. I think we're about to go get some lunch. So enjoy the video, and I'm going to put a link in the description below where you can make a booking. I use Agoda, which offers some of the best deals. If you're traveling, you can find lots of great deals on Agoda. So check the link in the description below if you want to make a booking at this place, and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. So here we've got a pretty nice view right here. It's just like an old Thai house that you're looking at in front of the hotel. You can open this up, and this is on the Ping River. So Ping River is right over here, and they have a swimming pool as well, which is still open. So I guess the swimming pool is still open. You can only use it one guest at a time. But there's only one other person staying here aside from us. They're on the third floor. So I've just been staying at Airbnbs, me and my girlfriend, for a week at a time, and we're always changing. We're always moving to different places, which is getting a little bit tiring. I would like to find something more permanent, but as a digital nomad, it kind of comes with the territory, right? I'm constantly moving around, even when I have a home base. Like, I've been in Chiang Mai for a month now, and yeah, it's interesting. You can always find things to do, go on adventures. Getting more familiar with the city now, and yeah, this is the Ping River. It's looking a little bit cloudy today, but not too bad. Might get a little bit of rain later. It does tend to rain quite a bit here in Chiang Mai. I think this is rainy season. But as you can see, the river looks pretty dirty, but it's a little bit brown. It's got like a brownish color to it. But you sometimes see people out on the kayaks or stand-up paddle boards, which you can rent, I think right over here, like this over here somewhere. And then that's the market where I'm actually going to be going there later tonight. I'm going to shoot another video over there and just show you guys around this night market, which is pretty cool place. They have very cheap food there, lots of food stalls. So yeah, that's the tour of B2 Premier Hotel here in Chiang Mai. It's right on the Ping River near Old City. And the price is important to know, right? It's 590 baht per night, which is just over $15, and 500 baht for the key deposit, which is standard at any hotel you stay at. You always have to pay the key deposit, which you get back once you check out. And I think the price online was like 320 baht or something, or 400 something baht, but it's not expensive. And this is what the place looks like. So you've got the nice pool area here. You can come hang out. If it's sunny, you sit over there. You can maybe even get some laptop work done if you want from here or inside the building, which is this is like the coffee room hangout area. Gallery, it's called La Luna Gallery. See? Contemporary art gallery. Looks really nice. Can we go in here real quick? Check it out. Wow, it's right next to the hotel where we're staying. I just want to check this out real quick. Very nice. Wow. Look at just looking. Wow. This beautiful artwork in here. This one is really, really nice. Check it out. Wow. It's so intricate. Look at all the detail on here. Amazing. It's also Thai. Oil on canvas. Oh. Very cool. Beautiful artwork. Look at this. Wow. We've just arrived here at Qualet Cafe and Restaurant. It's right on the Ping River, not too far from where we're staying. And they have motorbike parking right here, very convenient. Delicious food, beautiful views. Do we have to check in? Look at this. Swadikap! Alright, I think we're gonna sit right here and enjoy the views on the river. Look at this. What's it here? Look up. Alright, let's see what we have here to eat. Oh, we've got good coffee, Thai tea. We've got some little kids fishing down here, having fun. Sweaty cup. Hello. Pad see ew. This is one of my favorite dishes. It's like noodles with chicken. As you can see here. Oh, not too spicy, but it is hot. I'll wash it down with some coffee. Swadika. All right.